Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels. So today we will discuss about the strategy how to recover the database if it's crashed. So here's a scenario we have. Suppose in any organization, they are taking the backups, full backups every day at 3 a.m. and the differential backups every after 4 hours. Okay, and the log backup in every 15 minutes they are taking in every 15 minutes. So the DB crashed at 11:38 a.m. on Thursday. So how can you recover the database? What is the strategy? How can we recover? So the scenario I'm repeating once more. Full backup is going on 3 a.m. every day. Means Monday 3 a.m., Tuesday 3 a.m., Wednesday 3 a.m. like this way. They are taking the full backups. Differential backup is going on in every 4 hours. And the log backup in every 15 minutes log backups are taking. So DB crashed on Thursday 11:38 a.m. So on Thursday 3 a.m. definitely the backup full backup has been gone. So we have to take the latest available full backup which is on full backup Thursday 3 a.m. We have taken the full backup Thursday 3 a.m. Okay, now differential backup. So till 3 a.m. we have the backup. Now from 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. we have one differential backup. Then 7 a.m. 11 we have second differential backup. So we have to take the latest available differential backup at 11 a.m. same day on Thursday. Okay, so our DB have been crashed at 11:38. So after that, in every 15 minutes, every 15 minutes, the log backup is going on. So till 11 a.m. we have the backup. After 11 a.m., 11 a.m. till 11:15 a.m. we have log backup. Okay, then 11:15 a.m. 11:30 a.m. log backup. So we have to take two log backups. Okay, so all of this we are taking the latest full available backups with no recovery. Differential backup with no recovery. These two log backups with no recovery. Recovery. So how much data is considered as a loss? Last 8 minutes, because after 11:30, 11:45, but that backup is not log backup is not taken, it will not means it's not run. The transactional log backup is still available, then we can take a tail log backup to capture the transaction. Means last 8-minute backup. If the transaction log backup is available, then we can able to take through tail log backup. And if the log file is corrupted, if the log file is not there, then it's not possible to recover this last 8 minutes data. We need to consider this last 8-minute data as data loss if log sorry log file is corrupted. It's considered as a different scenario, but we can take, if the available is there, then we can take the tail log backup. Through tail log backup we can get this last 8 minutes of data. So this is a strategy we need to uh, do while recovering the database. So if you like the videos, so please subscribe to the DBA Guardians, and if you want to do the courses, then please connect with me. Thank you.